Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Dario here with another Options and Play video update. So first off, thanks to those of you that stuck around for yesterday's option session. Always love the contributions. Love the opportunities to get to talk trading, talk options, talk the market, all sorts of all sorts of different different things that we covered during these sessions. And last night, one of the main topics was about options on new issues or IPOs, and also we went over that whole that whole crazy movement that's going on, all these SPAC names. All right, so if you weren't able to make it, definitely check that out, and let me know if you have any questions. Shoot me a message, or you know how to get in touch with me on the VTF. All right. But one of the things we talked about, like I said, was the options on new IPOs, and part of the reason why I wanted to talk about that last night is because last week we had some like really like great performing IPOs, right? So stocks that came out, had good interest early, and then just have really like continued to perform great. And Bros, so Dutch Brothers Coffee is one of like the best. So you can see clearly, since coming out, the stock has been on a tear, and today was the first day that options started trading. So the options just opened today. It was the first possible day. They opened today. I've been watching them, kind of start to fill out. When they first debut, the spreads can be kind of wide, the volume can be kind of low, but it's been picking up during the day. So this is definitely one that's going to be on the radar now for me. And what I'm going to be watching for is what I call the ripped and dip strategy, meaning option or IPOs that rip out of the gate, which is definitely what BROS has done. I'm looking for the first dip. Okay, so I'm looking for the first dip, and then I'm looking for a little bit of like a turn setup, right? So right now the stock is still running. I'm not going to be participating, but when it has that first dip, so it could be 10 points, it could be 15 points. When it has that first pullback, what I'm going to be watching is for the stock to stabilize and then start to show signs that it's ready to turn. And what I'm going to be looking for, or depending on what the prices are, I'm going to be targeting or would be an option strategy for a retest of the high. So whatever the high is at the time, I don't know if today's a high or tomorrow's a high or whenever the high is put in, then the subsequent pullback, looking for a retest of the high and then potentially an acceleration through it. All right, because for me, trading IPOs, it's all about momentum. I'm looking for higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? Because once momentum breaks and once the IPOs start to really pull back, then you got to wait to find out where are the legitimate areas of support, where are the legitimate areas of demand, because there's no historical levels to work with, right? So you don't know where the support's going to be. You can maybe take a guess, but that's all it is a guess. I mean, the price doesn't go back long enough to really know where the key levels of support are, right? So it's all about riding momentum. That's what I'm looking for. But this is definitely going to be something I'm starting to keep an eye on now, especially after like this really crazy run out of the gate. Also, ON, another new IPO. Options just opened up today, so another one I can start to focus on as well. All right. Um, so you know, we're mid late September here. We're getting close to October, and that means we're getting close to earnings season. So there's a lot going on this week. Got the Fed day tomorrow, and I feel like it's just going to be a busy week. So buckle up, all right? So if you like this video and you're looking for more information about trading options or trading options and how I approach it on these new IPOs, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options and play. Have a fantastic night. Stay well, and we'll talk to you all tomorrow.